The person who attacked Riley Green has been arrested. Just a few days ago during a concert in Melbourne, a member of the audience threw a cell phone directly from the crowd onto the stage, striking Riley Green near his ear. He began bleeding immediately, forcing the show to be paused. The lights were turned on and security quickly began searching for the person who threw the phone. Soon after, the audience member was subdued by security and removed from the venue. Police subsequently launched an investigation, and the assailant was eventually arrested and may face assault charges. Despite his injury and bleeding, Riley Green chose to persevere and finish the entire performance. After the show, he went to the hospital to have his wound treated, where he received 5 stitches. A concert is supposed to be a place where fans and artists enjoy music together, not a scene where assaults might occur. This incident serves as yet another reminder to all audience members. Any inappropriate behavior could change the course of one's life. What are your thoughts on this?